Understanding alert. Key vocabulary for IELTS success. Imagine you're walking down a dark street at night. Suddenly, you hear footsteps behind you. Your senses sharpen, your heart races, and you become hyper-aware of your surroundings. This state of heightened awareness is what we call being alert. Today, we're going to explore the word alert, an essential vocabulary item for your IELTS preparation. Word type. Alert can function as both an adjective and a verb in English. Meaning, as an adjective, alert means being fully aware and attentive, quick to notice any unusual or potentially dangerous situations. As a verb, to alert means to warn someone of a danger or problem, or to make someone aware of something important. Word history. The word alert comes from the Italian phrase allerta, which literally means on the watch. It entered the English language in the 17th century and has been widely used ever since. Antonyms. Some opposites of alert include drowsy, inattentive, oblivious, and unaware. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to alert include vigilant, watchful, attentive, and observant. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use alert in different contexts. As an adjective, you might say the security guard remained alert throughout his night shift, constantly scanning the area for any suspicious activity. As a verb, you could use it like this: the authorities alerted the public about the approaching storm, advising everyone to stay indoors. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing alert with alarmed. While both words relate to awareness, alarmed implies fear or anxiety. For example, you would say the sudden noise made me alert, not alarmed, unless you were actually frightened by the noise. Being alert is a valuable skill, not just for your IELTS test, but in everyday life. It allows you to respond quickly to changes in your environment, whether you're studying for an exam, driving a car, or simply walking down a street at night. Remember, in the IELTS speaking and writing tests, using words like alert accurately can help demonstrate your vocabulary range and boost your band score.